You want to add more users to your Shopify store account, but unfortunately, basic plan, you cannot add more staff members. Are you having this issue? You want to hire someone to add products on your behalf, or you want to hire someone to make dev changes like theme customizations or anything, but you are unable to add more users? I'm going to tell you guys in this video a safe way to add collaborators, which is not limited on your plan. No matter you have basic plan, grow plan, you can add them as a collaborator. And what you need to do as a store owners in order to provide access safely to your Shopify store. So if you take a look at the pricing plan of Shopify, here you can see in basic package, we have limitation of additional staff accounts. So you cannot add staff members in basic plan. In grow plan, you have 5 staff members. In advanced plan, you have 15. And in plus, you have unlimited. But there is a way to add users, which is called collaborators. So here you can see that we have the option of invite third-party collaborators, and it is not limited, and it does not count towards staff account limits. So what you need to do is go to your Shopify backend, click on this bottom left setting icon, and when you click there, you will find this options called users, and under users you have this option of security. Now all you need to do is just share this collaborator code, which is in my case is 3152, and the store URL is this. So you have to give these two things to your developer or to the staff member which you want to add, and they will request access. So these are the two things which is needed: the collaborator code and this URL. I'm assuming you're on a live store, and when you're on a live store, you will need to find this URL which says .myshopify.com. Again, this collaborator account limit does not count in staff members. So even if you're not able to add more staff members, you can add more collaborator accounts. Now, let's say I am a Shopify developer. Now, how I will request my client's store access? I'm going to go to Shopify dev dashboard and then click on request access and then add in the URL here. Now, in this case, I will add this URL. Paste the URL here, and here I will add the collaborator code, which is in this case 3152, right? Now I can select the permissions. So if I want only theme level customization, I have the option here where I will select the theme development. So I'm gonna find the theme development. Here we have menus. Here we have online store. Here you can see that we have this theme option and edit code option and blog post option. Now it is safe for the customers and for the developers to use it that way rather than adding as a staff member, because later on customer can easily remove the collaborator access once the developer have completed the work. Before I let you guys go, we have a surprise for you, which is free section. So if you're Shopify store owners and you want to enhance the layout of your Shopify store, we have this GitHub repository where you will find a lot of free sections, and every single section have a video instructions within that. So simply click on any of the section and you will find the video with the instructions and the demo, and you can install these sections, which is Shopify 2.0 theme sections, completely for free on your store. As a Shopify official listed partner, which you can see here, we have built more than 100 stores for client and made them profitable. And along the way, we have also provided these free giveaways to you guys and to all of our customers. That's it for this video, guys. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe, which will help us create more valuable content for you guys. Until next video, have a great day.